Hey dude, I don't know that I'm gonna fly, man. It's all wet out. But I have this crazy idea to do a 3 tips for beginners video. Yeah, me. Yeah, look, I know I'm new to FPV, but there are things I know now that I wish I had known earlier. There are unique perspectives I could bring to the hobby, and I feel like I could help some people out. I guess I hadn't thought that far ahead. How should I start? Really? That seems too easy. Alright, I'm KMartFPV. Here's my 3 tips for beginners. Tip number 1, embrace the community. Let me tell you a story about the first time I went flying with anybody else. I flew with Vandal, and 10 seconds into my first pack, this happened. Yep. I broke 2 arms, 2 motors, my top plate, my FPV camera on my only quad 10 seconds into my first meetup. And here's the amazing thing. You know what Connor did? Connor let me fly his quad, even after he saw mine tumble into the earth at Mach 2. Connor realized that I was just learning and that I was there to have a good time like anybody else, so he offered his gear up. Connor's a good guy. Fly with good guys. That's what most of FPV is about. You find these cool people who want to see you put packs up in the air. And you can oblige by asking them for questions. Don't hesitate to send an email or a text or a Facebook message or post something on some channel to get an answer you need. Those of us who have been through what you were through in the beginning are happy to help and happy to see you get past that hurdle and have your next big light bulb moment. Embrace the community. Yeah, the warm-up pack matters. A lot of people take that first warm-up pack and they use that to remind themselves about how the quad responds to the sticks, and that's totally valid. However, let me offer an alternative. I am a musician by training, I am a teacher by trade. And my warm-up on my instrument is a very strategic way for me to address whatever it is I need in that flight later on in a controlled way. If you spend your first pack working 90-degree turns, 270-degree turns, your snap rolls, get your orbits happening, work on your trippy spins just for 20 seconds, fly backward, do whatever you can to isolate these small moments you might need to use later in your flight. And the same thing goes for your flight. If you jump right in, you might have a great first flight. However, you might get to that cool light pole that you want a trippy spin, but you hadn't really worked on your trippy spins. So spending 20 seconds a day just working on your trippy spins means we add that tool to the box. We can access that repertoire when you need. Warm up makes a huge difference. Makes sense, doesn't it?
Yeah, that does make sense to me, Kmart.
Tip number 3, balance work and play. And I say this 51% for you, but also 49% so that I hear it too. We all want to be great pilots, so we grind. We grind our race times and dissect tricks so that we can understand the individual components and then how to work that into a line. And we grind and grind and grind, but if we can't find an opportunity to just return to childlike play, then flying could become a chore. If you feel like cruising around, cruise. If you want to torment your family with a whoop, go for it. Just be careful with long hair. I've made that mistake before. It's easy to think of the destination, but every crash and every burnt motor, every splintered piece of carbon, GoPro replacement, that's a part of FPV. That's a part of what we do, and you have a whole FPV family behind you. Hey, thanks for watching. If you found any of this useful, or if you like the content, like, subscribe, comment down below. Check out these other videos. You'll love them. Peace out. You got this.